what happened.
Up Hill and whoa, that is superb blocking stuff by Kovalainen. And Watts is desperate to find a way through. Up to Druids. Oh, and he's on the back wheel. And that is a horrendous accident. Catapulted across the track onto the tyre wall. The damage obvious on the back of Kovalainen's car. The rest of the car's still running. Colin Brown inside Blake Walker now for 5th place. And that is a very, very welcome sight. Danny Watts.
Reese's wing goes, and Dino Morelli's hit Gareth Rees. And Morelli goes off. That was Dino Morelli, and he's in the car. The front half of the car very badly damaged. The engine's still running hard.
As Herbert and Wojtek slammed from wall to wall, Grillard was collected. Wojtek barrel rolled along the Armco, and there were cars everywhere.
Heading in, you see the speed. You know that this is one of the fastest points of the racetrack, and that is absolutely monstrous. A horrible, violent impact, and just no control at all. That's what the tyre barrier is there to do.
And you can see that right at the early stage, Piquet and Warwick and Serra are involved. Serra goes across the circuit. It's absolute chaos, mayhem. The unfortunate Japanese driver going end over end. And then cars subsequently piling into each other. The marshals go over the top, over the rail.
The back of the car ahead, but let's just see it at real time here. And in fact, that's interesting. Oh, it was a miscommunication effectively, because AS Roma was moving to the right to let him pass on the left.
Yeah, and here we go.
Oh,
and that's a terrible, terrible accident.
A massive accident, absolutely huge. The car splitting in half.
I know we have only 7.5 minutes plus 1 lap left. Oh my, huge accident, a huge off. Ryan Teeter had spun, Piquet is involved, there was another car that's airborne as well, and the race is being stopped straight away. Red flag shown, and Ryan Teeter was the catalyst for all of that because he had spun, and then out of nowhere came, I fear, Peter Lee. Looking at the order, the race is stopped, or race is suspended, I should say. Some good stuff going on. And they've got on, let's go inside, launches! Oh dear, game over for those two. Now is that going to be another, if that's another safety car, it's going to be red flag and checker.
Was travelling at twice the speed he needed to. He obviously is a bit unsighted, but he's completely locked up already before he gets anywhere near the tail end of that car. Huge closing speed.
Timo Glock, a great launch. Oh, he collides with his teammate. The Iceport teammates, Andrea Zuber and Timo Glock collide. I can't believe what we just saw.
Well, they're both trying to cut across and block each other, a la Schumacher, and they both run into each other, both out.
des équipes. 3e place pour Nick De Vries, 4e position. Oh attention, l'accrochage et l'accident terrible. Que s'est-il passé? Que s'est-il passé? Pourquoi Roberto Meri s'est quasiment arrêté au moment de franchir la ligne?
With Jimmy Eriksson, and so Mardenborough just going to get a swap on, and nothing he can do. Straight to the scene of the accident, clearly catching him by surprise. We've seen him have moments already this weekend, but that is an enormous accident.
Kørehullet forrest. Og det er altså et spørgsmål om, at han vil ind til inderkøben, og der har den anden kører altså...